What up, guys? Jared here, Rotex Rednecks, coming at you with another one today. Quick how-to. So for the Defenders, we got the Sport Fender flares. I'll show you guys quick and easy. Probably the easiest accessory you can add to these things. But here, I'll show you the part number and everything that comes in the kit. So your part number is going to be 715-003898. That's your part number for the Sport flares. Here's everything that comes in the kit. You get the 6-piece, the 2 pieces for the bed. So these two and these two are for the bed, and the fronts is right here. So you're only adding about 3-inch, I'd say, give or take, of fender flare. Helps quite a bit on the rear. My fronts are spaced out pretty far, but I have noticed on my old Defender that's back there, it does keep mud from ending up getting thrown up into the cab up here when you have your windows down. That was a problem I had, and I saw someone and they told me to try that, so I threw these bad boys on, and the mud stops like right around here usually, unless you're like fully locked and spinning. But I did notice driving down the trail, it will not throw in the cab anymore with the windows down. And then back here is all your hardware comes with it. Super self-explanatory, but if you do have questions, it comes with the instructions right here. Go to that website, instructions.brp.com, and it's got a PDF detailed instructions of how to put these fender flares on. But I'm going to go ahead and do it for you guys right here. So the tools you're going to need for this kit is literally just a 30 tip and a ratchet. I got mine on the drill, makes it a little easier. And then a 10mm wrench. Mine's a Ritchie wrench. You don't need to have it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to start on the right front and show you guys how this bad boy gets thrown on. So Can-Am's super awesome. All these little nipples right here on your Defender. See these little indents? All the way down. One right there, one right there. The bottom one right there. The only one they don't have one for is what goes up in here, which I do this one last and kind of wiggle it to fit it the best that curves around this plastic. But they give you all the pre-holes where you end up putting those fasteners, these bad boys right there, and they screw right into the plastic and hold these fender flares on. So I'll get one hung up and show you from there. So I got it hung up there. I got them all started. You can see they just go right into those little indents. They come from the factory, and then you just push it up flush. Make sure your fitment looks all right, and then you can go ahead start running these bad boys in. There's that one, and then that one, once you put these two ones in, this one's more of a alignment one. So once those two are tight, this one falls right into place. Run this one in, and then you can start on the top. Those all go right in. And then I'll show you what I was talking about. See the gap before you put that front screw in? You just kind of push it in and see where the fitment is. So like right there's, I'm gonna hold that right there, and then go ahead and put that screw in. And then we'll move on to the back side. All right, there's the passenger front all buttoned up. That should be your end product right there. See, it sticks out pretty good from the side. This is probably one of my favorite accessories to add. Super easy, gives you that clean look. Do a nice walk around once I get them all on. I'll go ahead and jump on this passenger rear. So I got the passenger rear all mounted in. Same thing as the front. You just start a couple threads into the plastics, into the pre-formed plastic nipples in there. And then you just move your way down. And then back here, it gets a 30 tip bolt and a nut, just like these two. And there's already a hole there. You just poke that thing through it and then put the nut on the back side and tighten her down. And then I'll show you how you do this piece right here. You can already see those pre-formed where the screws go. One there and one down here. Go ahead and throw that bad boy on and show you how that's done. There they are. Lower one's mounted up. Top one's on. This side's done. The other side's the exact same, just mirrored. And there is a bolt. You got to put a bolt in right under here, right below the gas cap. Put the head in right here. You can do the nut I've found doing the head from the bottom is a little easier. You pop your bed up, and you're gonna put a nut on the back side of that. I'm gonna do that last because I want to be able to close the tailgate. Don't want all my crap to fall out. So there they are, all mounted up. Passenger side's done, minus that one bolt, and then don't really need to make a video on the other side. Everything's super self-explanatory. Everything's mirrored exactly as what I just already showed you guys. Like always, make sure you drop the like. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, man. We got a lot of stuff coming out. Once Chris gets back from deployment, we'll have him. Got a lot more plans for the channel. We appreciate everything you guys do. Drop the comments. We love helping you guys. Share the heck out of it if you can. We appreciate it. Just want to help you guys out wherever we can. If you got questions, make sure you put them in the comments. Jump in there. If we don't have the machine to help you guys out, we can find one. We got a lot of friends in the community. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna get out of here. We'll see you guys on the trail. Have a good one.